The road is long, and there's a lot riding on your ability to deliver. With busy schedules and targets to meet, you need an engine that will go the distance. To maintain the high performance of your Cummins engine, it pays to know the difference between genuine and non-genuine parts, because there is a difference. The difference is in the performance. The difference is in reaching your destination or not. Because if your truck is out of commission, so are you. Like the work you do, genuine Cummins parts are all about integrity and reliability. They're the best way to maintain the peak performance of your Cummins engine. The road is long. You need Cummins by your side and genuine Cummins parts under your hood. For a world that's always on.